Mixing up your German numbers or needing a smarter way to learn them, then you've come to the right place. Guten Tag and welcome to StudySmart, the channel that will make you study strategically and score high. I am your mentor Faiza, and in this video we will be going through mnemonics and tricks to help you to learn the German numbers easily and quickly. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video, drop a comment and subscribe to my channel so I can make more videos just like this one to help you improve your German. So let's get started. I'm sure you must have heard this being referred as null in English. In German it is called null. Null, because the U is stretched out. So say it with me. Null. Null. This is eins. Eins. You must have heard about that popular ketchup brand Heinz. Just take out the H from it and just say it. Eins. Eins. Now this is zwei. Zwei. Think of saying so, y together and quicker. Say it with me. Zwei. Zwei. This is drei. Drei. Very close to dry in English, but a bit more emphasis on the R. So say it with me. Drei. Drei. This is vier. Vier. Think of the English word fear, but soften the R, because when ER comes together, it gives the sound. So say it with me. Vier. Vier. Now this is fünf. Fünf. The special vowel which is in there, which is the U umlaut, gives an U sound. So that makes it sound like fünf. Fünf. This is sechs. Sechs. Then we have sieben. Sieben. Think you're about to say zebra, but you changed your way halfway. So sieben. Sieben. Then we have acht. Acht. This is like half a sneeze. Say it with me. Acht. Acht. Then we have neun. Neun. It sounds very similar to nine, but because of the EU combination, it gives the oi sound. So therefore it becomes neun. Neun. This is zehn. Zehn. It's like saying close to 10, but with a s and stretched out. So zehn. Zehn. Now this is elf. Elf. Like the creature you hear about in fairy tales. Elf. Elf. Now this is zwölf. Zwölf. Like adding an S before saying wolf. Zwölf. Zwölf. Now we're going to be starting a rule. Just like in English you have 13, 14, up till 19. So you're basically saying the unit number first and then the tens one. That is the rule we're going to be applying right now. So this is 13, 13. You're combining dry and sen together. But remember, set has a t sound. So when you say it, you say 13, not 13. Likewise, this is 14, 14, 15, 15. This is 16, 16. We drop the S from it, and afterwards this sound becomes 16, 16. Now this is 17, 17. Yes, we've shortened sieben, and now it sounds like 17, 17. Then we have 18, 18, and then 19, 19. Now this is 20. 20, using the same rule that we used for set. Now we will be using the same rule of saying the units number first and then the tens number, but we're going to be adding an und in between, like 21. 21. Yes, we've dropped the S from the ein, and therefore it now sounds like 21. So this is 22, 22, 23, 23, 24, 24, 25, 25, 26, 26, 26, 27, 27, 28, 28, 29, 29. And this rule applies to all the decades which are going to be coming after 20. So let's do the decades. This is 30, 30. So this would not have a t sound because it has an S set in it. Now we're coming back to a number which has a set in the middle of its spelling to give the t sound. So this is 40, 40. Then we have 50, 50. This is 60, 60. Yes, drop the S from it and therefore it becomes 60. Again, shorten sieben and this becomes 70, 70. So if there is a number like this, how would we call it? It's called 74. Let's move on. 80, 80, 90, 90, and then we come down to 100, 100. So let's practice a few numbers. This is 69. This is 85. This is 112. This is 77. Fantastic. Watch this video multiple times and I'm sure in no time at all you will be able to get the German numbers. Just for your practice, I'm going to be giving you some numbers, so write them down in the comments and let me know. If you're looking to improve your German, then do check out my other videos. And be sure to like this video, drop a comment and subscribe to my channel, which believes that learning something new is not difficult, you just need to study smart. See you in my next video. Cheers!